experience is 3D modeling in AutoCAD. So first for that we have to change the workbench, and first we are in a drafting and annotation workbench for drawing 2D drawings, but for drawing 3D modeling, 3D drawings, we should change to 3D modeling. And there are various views like conceptual, shaded and wireframe. The various commands like extrude, revolve, loft, sweep, loft and sweep, and press pull. These are the various commands in AutoCAD. First I will show you revolve command. So I have drawn this circle on a right plane, and I have drawn an axis in isometric view. Now I will use revolve command. I will select first object, enter, then select this axis, first point and second point. This is how I can I can give angle as 180 degree or more than 180 degree. 360 degree is also fine. So this is the 180 degree angle. I can show you by orbiting. This is how I have drawn using revolve command. I will delete it. Now I will show you loft command. First I will take top plane. In top plane I will be drawing a rectangle, another rectangle, sorry, and a circle. I will go in isometric view. I say isometric. I will use move command. Modify, move. This is the move command. I will select the object, enter, select the base point, and I will keep it at a height. Again I will use move command, select an object, enter, select base point, and this is how I can elevate. Now I will go in loft command. First I will select this object, base object, then the circle, and then rectangle. This is how I can use loft command. Enter, cross section only. This is how loft command is been used. Control-C. Now I will be showing extrude command. First select an object, enter. I can specify height 50. Enter. I will show you by orbiting. This is how extrude command is used. Then sweep command. For that I will be showing for sweep command, first take right plane, and take helix, specify center point, specify base circle, specify another circle and then height. So I will go in isometric. I say isometric. This is how spring can be, this is how helix can be drawn. I can edit it by double clicking on it. I will constant turns, height. I can change the height 50, number of turns as 10, base radius as 20, top radius as 20, clockwise. I can also show clockwise or anti-clockwise. This is how helix can be drawn. Then I will draw a circle and I will use sweep command. I will select the circle first, enter. I will select the sweep path as helix. This is how spring can be drawn. We can have a taper helix also. Then first I will take top plane. I will draw rectangle, polygon. Number of span. This is the polygon which I have drawn. Now I want to extrude it. Instead of using extrude command, I can use press pull command. Enter and this is how I can press pull it. I can extrude it using press pull command. I can also subtract or add a material using press pull command. So this is how 3D modeling is shown. Thank you so much.